from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Netmix Show. This is me, Ravi, and sorry if I'm a bit low. It's 4:30 in the morning, and I was not able to sleep after watching that match. Just thinking what went wrong and what could have been, done better for. I was about to make a full detailed analysis video about this match, but after seeing how United played, I dropped that idea, and I just I'm making this video just to express myself as a pure United fan, and it's not a banter video, or I'm not here to criticize anyone or any player, because we knew this already. United knew this, United fans knew this, other teams knew this. That's why they always come with a plan to press our defense, make sure that ball is on our D, United D, and they'll just make chances and score goals. So it hurts to see United playing this way, and what what can I say? Starting from defense. I mean, the first goal that we conceded was shit. I mean, what Maguire did, 3 errors in 5 seconds. I don't know where he first headed the ball towards goal, then he mistimed his jump, and then again he pulls his own player, Luke Shaw. I mean, one of the richest club, you are playing for the richest club in the world, or maybe second richest club of the world, and it's called Theatre of Dreams, and you are the captain of it. You are worth 80 million, the most expensive defender, more than Van Dijk, and you are doing such pathetic, maybe I don't know any more trash words. Our vocabulary is not that good, but that's pathetic. And we have just scored 1 goal in just 30 seconds. We should again we should press harder, but what after that goal our confidence was down. Every player's shoulder was down, and the goal that Son scored, I mean, I don't know, man. I can go on and criticize every player's every mistake, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here as a fan. I'm here as what I'm feeling right now, just expressing myself. United fans are saying these days that we need players. Like, a lot of transfer rumors are there, from Sancho obviously to Upamecano to Grealish to many more, and we end up having just one. That's Van de Beek. Cavani is on the way, and Telles is on the way, but I don't know how much it's gonna help our team, because we need defenders, and Telles is left back, so I don't know, he'll replace Williams or Luke Shaw, but still we have place for centre back. It's not anger anymore. It's like it's pity. It's kind of gutted feeling. It's heartbreaking, and it's easy. I can go on and criticize players, every player, and say this and that, but उससे कुछ होगा नहीं, क्योंकि जो फीलिंग है वो गुस्से की नहीं है, वो ख़राब लगने की है, हर्ट होने की है. And seeing United playing like this, I mean, at the time of Louis van Gaal, when we used to be criticized for being so defensive, and people used to say that your matches are very boring, we don't feel to watch your matches. and at that time we used to play very defensive football. But right now, after signing so many defensive players of late, what are we getting? uh, since 2011 we have not conceded this much goal. And seeing today's match, what can I say? What anyone can say? No one can say nothing. Absolutely nothing. I mean, these are not errors. These are I don't know, man. It's Manchester United. It's very hard to see how United have played, how they have conceded goals, like Pogba giving away penalties. I mean, for God's sake, you are slide tackling in the D, man. Come on. 99% of the chance referee will give penalty and you are already 5 down. The goal that Aurier scored, Pogba was blind. Aurier just crossed him and he was like, he didn't even see him. I don't think so that we need players. That would not change anything. We need internal changes. We need tactical changes. We need management changes. That's it. Because people say that we want players, but the players we have right now, once we thought that they are the best, that's why we bought them. So we are 400 million plus team excluding the bench. This is what we built over the past few years. Then we have to use what we have got. Forget everything. Forget even, I would say, forget Van de Beek right now, because our midfield is okay. At least if not good, then it's okay. But the problem is striker. I mean, we have a problem for striker also. Hope and I believe that United will bounce back, because we have hit the rock bottom. You can't play like this. I mean, I'm scared of even Leeds United. They will kill us. Leeds will kill us the way they play the game. I mean, I'm scared of Leeds. I'm scared of Everton. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have seen the match and you have any things to say or banter about United, please do let me know in the comments below. It's the reality and we have to face it. We played a really bad football, and we are playing a really bad football from since the season has begun. So we deserve some criticism. Maybe that will help us. So generally in the end of the video I say that if you like this video, then do subscribe, like and share. But right now I'm not feeling it, so I'm not saying it. So just made this video to express myself, and as a United fan, it hurts. I'm hurt, and hope that things would not get worse for United. Cheers, guys. United we stand.